Okay, this is the SMALLRIG Magic Arm. It's like a super well engineered piece of metal, super good quality. Here obviously is the screw to tighten position of both arms. It feels very solid. What's unique about this is that each end, instead of just being a normal screw, has a quick release plate, and it looks like it might be a cold shoe, but if I bring in a plate, it does not fit in the cold shoe mount any which way how. It's also got the locking pins, right? So that's good to stop it moving around, but you also need to be sure that you have somewhere where you can fit it on. These are not spring loaded, these are completely solid. So you need something like a cage, and on the monitor mount it also needs to have the locking pins. So the idea here is, like, I stick this on here, and then whenever I want to use the Magic Arm, instead of having to screw it in and it all taking time to rig, you just slide it on, boom, slides in, and then it's quick setup and quick takedown. So far so good. Love it. So this is as an Allen key, right? Now in the bag, they give you this. Okay, what is this? Move this out of the way. And you get spare rubber washery things in case these degrade. And then you get an Allen key. Cool, they give you an Allen key. So, if I come back to this, it's not the same size, like, not by a long shot. This Allen key is not to help you screw these in. Okay, what is it for? Maybe it's for changing the washers, right? Okay. You can see here there are some small screws on the bottom. Maybe it fits in there and you use it to change the washers. Strange that they didn't give you an Allen key to actually use the thing, but they gave you one for maintenance. But no, this does not fit. It's too big. So I have no idea what this Allen key is for. Like, I have no idea. And I don't know how they expect you to use it without an Allen key to actually tighten it either, because with your finger it's almost impossible. You can get it quite tight, but it rattles. So I feel like that's a big miss for what is otherwise a great product.